Welcome to our new video. Today for you, a new video. The name of story is Polly's Perilous Adventure, Polly's Discovery. In a bustling tropical jungle, Polly the parrot was known for her vibrant feathers and clever wit. One sunny morning, she stumbled upon a map hidden within the leaves of a palm tree. Polly says, excitedly, "What's this I've found?" A map to a secret treasure, perhaps the secret treasure. As Polly followed the map, she discovered an ancient temple deep within the jungle, filled with mystical artifacts and colorful gemstones. Polly says, curiously, this temple seems to hold a treasure beyond my wildest dreams. Meeting the wise monkey inside the temple, Polly encountered Marvin the Wise Monkey, who revealed that the treasure held the power to bring harmony to the jungle. Marvin says, "Wise smile, ah, Polly, you've found the map to the Harmony Stone. It's an ancient relic of immense power that must be protected." The quest begins. With determination in her eyes, Polly set off on a quest to find the Harmony Stone, accompanied by her friends, Squawk the toucan and Mango the macaw. Squawk says, excitedly, "Adventure awaits. Let's find that stone and bring harmony to the jungle once and for all." The jungle trials. The trio faced numerous trials and puzzles in the jungle, from navigating through thick vines to outsmarting mischievous monkeys along the way. Mango says, playfully, "This jungle sure is full of surprises. I hope we find the Harmony Stone soon." The dark drongo. As they approached the heart of the jungle, they encountered Zara the dark drongo, who sought to claim the Harmony Stone for her own selfish desires. Zara says, sneering, "You foolish birds think you can take the Harmony Stone from me? I won't let that happen." The power of unity. With the strength of their unity and clever teamwork, Polly and her friends outwitted Zara and reached the ancient altar where the Harmony Stone lay. Polly says, determined, together we can overcome any obstacle. Let's show Zara the power of friendship and unity, restoring harmony. As the birds placed the Harmony Stone on the altar, a brilliant light filled the jungle, bringing peace and harmony to the once divided land. Squawk says, joyously, "Look at the jungle. It's so vibrant and peaceful now. We did it, Polly. We restored harmony to our home." The friends flew back home, their hearts filled with the joy of their perilous adventure and the strength of their unity. Today is finished. Stay with me for my next video. If you like my video and learning anything of my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.